Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? And no, you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with another device. This earbud support dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously, but not your left to one and your right to the second one. And also, you can listen to music with only one earphone. You can put one of your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case or remove only one earbuds from the charging case and listen to music with the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and as you can see I still have connection with my earbuds, but I use only one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!